Hello and welcome to the Token.io public beta testnet platform tutorial. You are going to need three things. All pertinent links to these three things will be down in the description below. You're going to need a Daedalus testnet wallet. It's testnet specific. You're going to need testnet ADA coins. You're going to need a GitHub account to grant you access to the Token.io platform. If you can manage to find me on Telegram, link below, I will be happy to send you some testnet tokens. That will eliminate some of this, but you're going to need, if you want to do the full test, you're going to want to do all of this. Okay, first thing we're going to do is go over and get a Daedalus wallet for testnet. When you scroll down, you'll see you have three options for OS here. Just choose whatever you're running. Download that, install that. You're going to have to sync to the blockchain once you complete installation. That's going to take a bit of time. Once you complete that, you're going to want to go over to the Faucet. We will go over to Daedalus. I'm going to grab a receive address. We'll go with this one. We will input our address here. Complete the CAPTCHA, confirming that I am not a robot. Request funds. I've already requested funds, so it's probably going to give me an error. Yes. I have plenty of testnet coins, so it's not a problem. Anyway, you want to go back to Daedalus, and you should see where you have received your testnet coins. Once we have coins, we are going to set up a GitHub account. Okay, it's a very simple process, just like setting up a Gmail account or something similar. I already have one set up for this tutorial. That's Token Guru. I'm going to sign in there. Let me do the verification. I haven't done that yet. Awesome, possum. Okay, so I'm in GitHub now. We're going to go over to Token.io and go to testnet app. I'm using a remote connection at work, so it's not going to be the fastest. Okay, I'm going to sign out of that account because I'm using a new account. Okay, we're going to sign in. Sign in with GitHub. We're going to authorize. Now we are in. Okay. This is a brand new account. We're going to go to wallet. Okay, now the first thing you're going to want to do when you come in here, when you get into Token.io, you're going to want to come over to your wallet. You're going to want to come down. Security is very important to us, and it should be to you as well. So you're going to want to set a wallet passphrase. So I'm going to go through that process now. What we want it to be. Okay. Now we're going to fund the account. So I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to go to Daedalus and send ourselves 100 testnet ADA. It's going to calculate the fee. I also have a passphrase on Daedalus testnet wallet, and we have coins on the way. I'm going to reload the wallet. They may or may not be here yet. They're here. Okay, great. So we have tokens in our account. We have a wallet passphrase set. We are good to go. Now that we have funded the account with test coins, we are going to go over to assets and begin the minting process. Select mint new asset. We have the choice between fungible tokens, where you can mint multiple coins, or NFT, a non-fungible token. We are going to mint a new non-fungible token. We are going to choose an image file. I have one in mind. Igor Dev Spaceman from the Space Coins logo contest. We're going to use that. Display name. I have some special characters I'm going to use. Token team and UTF-8 with some UTF-8 mixed in. Okay. Asset name, we'll call it Igor's Spaceman. Collection name, Space Coins Mojo. Asset description, logo contest, Space Coins, Igor's design. Separated with commas there. If you want to do, you can just do one simple description, or you can do multiple separated with commas. Long description. If you wanted to elaborate, you could do so in that field. Artist name, Liberty Crypto. Publisher URL. You could also do more than one if you wanted to. We are going to do token.io, and just for an example, I'll put in a doja.io there as well. Attributes. We're going to add more meta. In his left hand, the astronaut's left hand, torn spacesuit sleeve, comma, astro glove, comma, your did it flag. We'll go with a single key value background, and it will be the moon. If you were working on an NFT that had multiple attributes, you simply add those fields here and continue along. At this point, we're ready to mint. So I will enter my wallet passphrase and click mint. Success. Aha. Here is our spaceman. Okay, so you see we have our formatting with the special characters there, UTF-8. Artist name. Now if we want to enlarge this and view it, we can do that here. Just click on it. This URL will open up in a separate tab. And if we click on our display name, we can come down here from the original mint and view our meta. Show unmoderated content, and you will see all of our information here. Artist name, Liberty Crypto. Attributes, left hand. Torn spacesuit sleeve. Astro glove, your did it flag. Background, moon. Collection name, Space Coins Mojo. Long description, test, 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 test. Asset description, logo contest, Space Coins, Igor's design. Here is your policy ID. Here are our URLs, token.io, doja.io, and that is the sum of the meta we input at our minting phase. Now we want to withdraw our NFT or send it to another user. So I will go over to Daedalus. We are going to grab a receive address, withdraw, asset name Igor Spaceman, and put that address there. And of course your wallet passphrase. And we are on the way. Go back over to Daedalus. Looks like an incoming transaction. Multiple tokens received. Token 1. There you can see Igor Spaceman, the policy ID, the asset name. Okay, so we have success there. And if we refresh, the asset is gone. So it's now in my Daedalus testnet wallet. Now we will do an FT. We will mint some fungible tokens. Let's select FT here. Mint new fungible token. You can use an image file if you like. I'm going to leave that blank. Display name, we're going to go with Spud. Asset name, we'll call it Tater Cash. Supply quantity, we'll do 4,000. We're going to lock the supply. If we wanted to mint later, more of the same asset, we could. We would just select no. I'm not going to do that. We're going to do yes. Asset description. Wu-Tang is for the children. Long description. Tater Cash. Spud is also for the children. Minted by Liberty Crypto. And I'll put token.io as the publisher URL, one single. Very straightforward process. And we are ready to mint these coins. And we have minted. Okay, we have refreshed our assets view. We have show all, NFTs 0, fungible tokens 1. I'm going to go back to show all. Okay, we have 4,000 supply. It's our default tokens image. It's our display name. Minted by Liberty Crypto. Wu-Tang is for the children. Okay, I'm going to click on the display name. And this will give us a explorer view of that mint. Show unmoderated content. Liberty Crypto, minted by asset type fungible token. Tater Cash is also for the children, etc., etc. Policy ID there. URL. Now again, if I want to withdraw these coins to my address, we'll come over to Daedalus, we'll grab another receive address. I'm going to withdraw the entire supply and put that receive address. And our fungible tokens, our coins are on the way. We will go over to Daedalus once more. Go over to summary. And they're already there. As you can see here, we have the asset name, the policy ID, Tater Cash there. You can see the supply. And there's nothing there. Everything's been withdrawn. And that is the basic functionality of the Token.io public beta testnet platform. We are excited that you are here giving the platform a test drive. Again, the links to us are down in the description. Please come find us on Telegram. We want to hear from you. What was your experience like? Any problems you may have had? Any suggestions? Any opinions on the platform? We would love to hear it. It'll help us get to the next stage and continue to develop the project. The first phase of mainnet is coming in very soon. There's a lot more coming after that. So please stay tuned, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.